And welcome to break 3480 for the 2019-20 Basketball Limited Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, October 2nd, 2020. It's 10:29 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:29 p.m. Central Time, and 7:29 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Black T1 Spot, Morendo 2, Tab 1, Bon 1, Clay 1, MF 3, Pies 4, T Trajo 4, Grib with 1, Cameron 1, Upper 5, Robberman 1, Notorious 2, Westlake 3 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. Black T on top, Westlake on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 6, and lucky number 7 has Pies on top, Clay on the bottom. Pies with the Hawks, Upper Celtics, Bon Nets, MF Hornets, Black T Bulls, Upper Cavaliers, T Trajo Mavericks, Westlake Nuggets Pistons, Upper Warriors, Pies Rockets, Notorious Pacers, Upper Clippers, Westlake Lakers, Cameron Grizzlies, Pies Heat, Morendo Bucks, T Trajo Timberwolves, Pies Pelicans, Upper Knicks, T Trajo Thunder, MF Magic, Grib with the 76ers, Notorious Suns, Morendo Trailblazers, Robberman with the Kings, Tab Spurs, MF Raptors, T Trajo Jazz, and last but not least, Clay with the Washington Wizards. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Top, bottom. Empty, empty. Larry Bird. Larry Bird and the Boston Celtics auto. Sensational signatures, Boston Celtics. That is, check that out, 9 out of 10. Larry Bird auto. Sweet. Congrats to the Boston Celtics. Who has the Boston Celtics? And the Boston Celtics Upper Pro. Congrats. Larry Bird auto, 9 out of 10 from break 3480 in the 2019-20 Basketball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And up next, we have break 3481 for the 2020 Football Limited Edition card box. Thanks.